Imagine a world where living past 100 isn't just a dream, but a scientifically proven possibility. Right now, less than 0.02% of Americans reach the remarkable age of 100. But what if I told you that two extraordinary doctors have cracked the code to extraordinary longevity, and it starts with what's on your plate? Today, we're diving deep into the daily dietary secrets of two medical mavericks who are rewriting the rules of aging, Dr. Joseph Maroon and Dr. Howard Tucker, living proof that age is just a number. The good news? With small but impactful changes in your diet, you too can enjoy enhanced well-being. Dr. Joseph Maroon is not just another physician. He's a neurosurgeon, world-class triathlete, and leading expert in brain health and nutrition. With over 40 years of medical experience and numerous publications in neuroscience, Dr. Maroon has been a team neurosurgeon for the Pittsburgh Steelers and a pioneering researcher in brain performance and longevity. He has published extensively on nutrition and neurological performance. In his book, Square One, A Simple Guide to a Balanced Life, he shares insights into holistic health approaches. Meet Dr. Howard Tucker, the world's oldest practicing doctor, who at 100 years old continues to practice neurology and teach medical students. Board certified in neurology and medical legal consulting, Dr. Tucker has maintained an active medical practice for over 7 decades. His life is a testament to the power of continuous learning, physical activity, and strategic nutrition. His longevity and continued professional excellence make him a unique authority on healthy aging. Both of these experts have proven that living a long, healthy life isn't just about genetics. It's about making conscious, science-backed choices. Now, let's dive into their top recommendations for the foods that have kept them feeling young, strong, and active well into their senior years. Number 1. Blueberries, nature's brain protector. Dr. Maroon calls blueberries a neurological superfood. Packed with antioxidants, these tiny blue gems fight inflammation and protect brain cells. Many experts recommend consuming a handful daily, either fresh or in smoothies. Research shows blueberries can improve memory and potentially slow cognitive decline. Before we continue, let's take a moment to learn a bit more about antioxidants and how they help fight diseases and boost longevity. Groundbreaking research from Japanese scientists, particularly from the National Center for Geriatrics and Gerontology in Obu, has shed remarkable light on how antioxidants combat aging and disease. A landmark study led by Dr. Kazuo Tsuboda from Keio University in Tokyo revealed that antioxidants do far more than we previously understood. His research demonstrated that antioxidants can actually slow down cellular aging by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that damage our cells and contribute to chronic diseases and accelerated aging. Specifically, a long-term study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology showed that individuals with high antioxidant intake had 35% lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, reduced inflammation markers, improved cellular repair mechanisms, enhanced mitochondrial function. Dr. Hiroshi Yamada from the Tokyo Medical University found that antioxidants work like cellular bodyguards. They protect DNA from oxidative damage, reduce chronic inflammation, support the body's natural repair processes, help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. The Okinawa Centenarian study, perhaps the most comprehensive longevity research in the world, provides compelling evidence. Researchers discovered that Okinawans, known for their exceptional longevity, consume a diet exceptionally rich in antioxidants. Their diet, packed with colorful vegetables, fruits, and specific nutrients, contributes to their remarkable health span. Moreover, a meta-analysis of over 100 studies confirmed that consistent antioxidant intake could potentially extend average life expectancy by 2 to 3 years, reduce oxidative stress by up to 40%, significantly lower the risk of age-related chronic diseases. This is why blueberries, which we just discussed, are more than just a tasty fruit. They're a powerful antioxidant delivery system that can potentially add years to your life and life to your years. Number 2, salmon, an omega-3 powerhouse. Both Dr. Maroon and Dr. Tucker emphasize the importance of omega-3 fatty acids. According to Dr. Tucker, he often has fish and vegetables, including lots of broccoli, for dinner and has meat occasionally. Wild-caught salmon has been praised for its anti-inflammatory properties, and consuming it twice a week is great for brain and cardiovascular health. Dr. Maroon notes that these healthy fats are critical for brain health, reducing the risk of neurological disorders and supporting overall cellular function. Number 3, extra virgin olive oil, a Mediterranean miracle. A staple in both doctors' diets, olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. Dr. Tucker attributes part of his longevity to the Mediterranean diet, rich in high-quality olive oil. Dr. Maroon highlights its potent anti-inflammatory properties and potential to protect against chronic diseases. Number 4, leafy green vegetables for cellular renewal. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are non-negotiables for these longevity experts. Dr. Maroon's daily diet is packed with these greens, which are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and compounds that support cellular health and combat oxidative stress. Nutrition experts recommend at least 2 servings of leafy greens daily. Number 5, nuts. Nuts are compact nutrition bombs. Almonds and walnuts are daily staples for both doctors. These nuts have been credited for providing essential nutrients, healthy fats, and protein. A small handful as a perfect between-meal snack supports brain and heart health. Number 6, turmeric, nature's anti-inflammatory booster. Both doctors are huge advocates for turmeric. Turmeric is recommended for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Whether added to meals or taken as a supplement, turmeric can help reduce chronic inflammation. Number 7, other kinds of berries. Besides blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries round out their recommendations, each rich in various antioxidants that support cellular functions. Dr. Tucker emphasizes the importance of variety in antioxidant intake. These berries provide different nutritional profiles that support overall cellular health. Beyond diet, both doctors stress the importance of staying mentally active, maintaining social connections, and engaging in regular physical exercise. Dr. Tucker still drives and practices medicine, while Dr. Maroon continues to compete in triathlons, proving that age is truly just a number. While our featured doctors haven't prescribed a single miracle diet, medical research and their individual approaches highlight several key nutritional principles. These 7 foods aren't just a diet, they're a blueprint for longevity. By making simple, strategic food choices, you can potentially add years to your life and life to your years. If you found this information valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health insights, and leave a comment below about which of these foods you'll start incorporating into your diet today. Your journey to 100 starts now.